In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Additional Settings. Now choose one-handed mode available here and use this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Once you're done, follow all of those instructions to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!